But if you're coming on Monday,
Yeah, I'll come on Monday.
okay, promise.
Yeah. Okay. Can you promise, but for the day? There we are.
Hey.
So you need one more scene.
Full foot in a rolling wild. Now bad bitch tryna hold me down. Send him to the last and found. On big smokes, we rolling loud. Come through if you want these rounds. Nothing but you know.
First scene today. We've got our car here. We've got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or something blacks, and they're gonna just be cruising past the car while Hefs is performing out the back window, and I'll be in the front window shooting back, and Josh will be in the back window on the other side shining a light at Hefs. We're about to make a start.
But I can't lie, I got a thing for Robin. My heart melts when I heard we got him. So if you want my love, it comes with problems. I make them good girls do a 180.
Part of the bike squad now, called Scooter Squad. What's this shit, lad? Oh fuck! Oh hell no! Oh shit! Wait, how do I slow down?
Alright. Come out, bro. Alright, so we just did some tracking, rolling, performance stuff. And I honestly think, unless we shoot this way, it's pretty much a wrap. So maybe let's get Hefs. Actually, yo Hefs, while we got a tiny bit of sun left, I'll just get some performance right here.
Pick what movie after plan. Full foot in a rolling wild. Now bad bitch tryna hold me down. Send him to the last and found.
Oh, come on, man. Alright, boys, I'll get you.
Me love like Robin, but I can't lie, I got a thing for Robin.
You're coming on Monday.
Yeah, I'll come on Monday.
Okay, promise.
Yeah. Okay. Can you promise, but for the day?
There
we are. Hey.
So you need one more scene with you.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so we're here at the apartment scene spot. We just spent the morning doing stuff, looking around, and now we got the boys with the BMX bikes here, so we're just going to shoot some B-roll of them cruising down this road behind me. Actually, it's the first one, and then yeah, we'll find some more spots, shoot some more B-roll before Lips and that come. So that's what we're doing.
So right now we've got Kevin hanging out the back of the car. He's got the gimbal on, and we're doing some just rolling shots with the BMX bikes. So yeah, we're just going around the neighborhood, finding some cool little backdrops, some apartment buildings and stuff, and just doing some rolling shots.
So today we're at our first location and we're doing some FPV drone piloting shots. We've got our boy Eggsy on the drone. What we're gonna do is we're gonna have Young and Lips standing on one of these on the wall. Hey, we're just gonna get him performing. He's a little how's it going at the moment, but mate, it's gonna be crazy. You can get the FPV drone spinning around crazy. It's gonna be awesome. Alright, where the fuck are we? Oh, yeah.
I just don't know like how thick the ceiling is, but it is low.
Yep.
So like mind your footsteps and like mind just kind of where you stand.
Yep.
Other than that, like.
Jacob and I are waiting in a fire escape. Wales just got in here, so the boys are gonna bring him back up. And then first thing we'll run is FPV stuff. And then after that, run some gimbal stuff. And then handheld. And then we do. We'll be able to get all the shots. And then that's that.
What'd you say?
What?
tapping brain. Mix the money, no I can't contain. It's a vibe and the ice of vein.
This way first, and then this way after, and we'll run. Just keep rolling.
Yeah, done.
Get as much as we can.
Fuck, not bad.
Put fit in a rollie wild. Now bad bitch tryna hold me down. Send him to the lost and found. On big smoke, so we rolling loud. Come through if you want these rims. Not them, but you know me now. Who you are tryna take my crown? Put fit in a rollie.
So what happened is some guy saw us and he came up and he's like, "Just gotta get out of here. Can't you see signs all over the place saying radiation?" And I was thinking, oh, the radio tower would look pretty cool to climb up to for a shot. But yeah, at least we got like maybe 4 or 5 takes. Footage looked pretty good. There's no lighting, nothing, just straight natural. So
we're out here today, breaking into roofs and shit. Oh, not breaking, sorry, cuz they're already unlocked. We found our way. This is the second venue, second location, I mean. Yeah, this is it, bro. Shots, cuz.
Yep.
Baby ain't come for the dance party and I'm with my man. I feel let me smoke this strange.
we're just gonna shoot this alleyway and then Liv's gotta head off, sort out some business.
Put fit in a rollie wild. Now bad bitch tryna hold me down. Send him to the.
Alright, we out. Let's go. That's a wrap.
Put fit in a rollie wild. Now bad bitch tryna hold me down. Send him to the lost and found on big smoke.